Hello everyone. Today we will discuss miscellaneous problems, and these problems are not restricted to just one property. Here we have to use more than one property to find the required Laplace transform for the given function. First example is find the LT of 2 raised to t plus cos 2t minus cos 3t divided by t plus t sin t. See the question here. In the given example we have three different function. We have to find Laplace transform of this given function. In given function we have three different function, that is 2 raised to t plus this one plus this one. To solve the means to find the Laplace transform of this given function, we have here we have to denote this total function as f of t. Then f of t is equal to, means this small f of t is equal to capital F of t plus g of t plus h of t. F of t means first function 2 raised to t, and g of t means cos 2t minus cos 3t divided by t, and h of t is t sin t. To find the Laplace transform of this given function, first we have to find Laplace transform of first function, second function, then third function. For that, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to L of f of t plus L of g of t plus L of h of t. We have to name this equation as equation 1. First one is Laplace transform of f of t, then Laplace transform of first function, that is 2 raised to t. Here we know that if the given function is like this, we have to write Laplace transform of e raised to log 2 into t. We know that Laplace transform of e raised to at is 1 divided by s minus a. Here a value is log 2, therefore it is 1 divided by s minus log 2. Next is g of t. G of t is cos 2t minus cos 3t divided by t. See here, given function is of the form f of t divided by t. That is, it is according to third property. We have to use the result of third property. Therefore, a Laplace transform of g of t is equal to integration from s to infinity Laplace transform of cos 2t minus cos 3t into ds. Laplace transform of cos 2t is s divided by s square plus 4, and Laplace transform of cos 3t is s divided by s square plus 9 into ds. Now we have to find the integration of these two functions. To find the integration of this, we have to use the result. We have the result integration of f dash of s divided by f of s, which is equal to log of f of x. Here it is f of x, this is f dash of x. Here s square is there, differentiation of s square is 2s. To balance this one, we have to multiply and add by 2. We get half into log s square plus 4 minus half into log s square plus 9, limits from s to infinity. 1 by 2 is common in both the terms, and it is constant, take outside. We get log of s square plus 4 minus log of s square plus 9, limits from s to infinity. Then log a minus log b is log of a by b. Therefore, log of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 9, limits from s to infinity. Then we know that log of root a is equal to half into log a. We know that log of root 2 is half into log a. We have to use this result here. We get log of square root of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 9, limits from s to infinity. Then applying limits, for the upper limit take limit s tends to infinity, log of square root of, in these two terms take s square common, we get 1 plus 4 by s square, and here s square into 1 plus 9 by s square. For the lower limit, minus log of square root of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 9. Here s square get cancelled. After the After applying the limits, we get 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. Therefore, it is log 1 minus this one is as it is. Log 1 is 0. Therefore, it will be minus of log square root of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 9. We know that how to multiply this negative sign to this log. After applying that negative sign, we get log of square root of s square plus 9 divided by s square plus 4. Therefore, Laplace transform of g of t is this one. Next, lastly, we have to find the Laplace transform of third function, that is h of t is equal to t sin t. Then Laplace transform of t sin t. See here, this function is of the form t raised to n into f of t. Here n value is 1. Then minus d by ds of Laplace transform of sin t. We have to differentiate Laplace transform of sin t one time. Then Laplace transform of sin t is 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus d by ds of 1 divided by s square plus 1 minus as it is d by ds. This can be written as s square plus 1 raised to minus 1. Then we get the differentiation of this one is minus into minus plus, it will be minus 1 into s square plus 1 raised to minus 2 into differentiation of s square is 2s. We get Laplace transform of h of t is equal to 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. See, we are finding Laplace transform of first function, second function and third function. Then sum of this function is denoted by f of t. We have to find this Laplace transform of this one. Then we have from the equation 1 required L of f of t is L of f of t is equal to, first one is 1 divided by s square minus s minus log 2 plus log of square root of s square plus 9 divided by s square plus 4 plus 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. This is the Laplace transform for the given function. Next is find the LT of t e raised to 2t minus 2 sin 3t divided by t. Solution: let f of t is equal to, consider t e raised to minus t. Consider this given function as f of t, and then it will be equal to t e raised to 2t minus 2 sin 3t divided by t. Here also we have two different function. Name this first function as f1 of t, second function as f2 of t. Say then L of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of f1 of t minus Laplace transform of f2 of t. First we have to find the Laplace transform of a first function, and then it will be Laplace transform of t e raised to 2t. This can be written as e raised to 2t into t. Then it is of the form first property, that is shifting property, e raised to at into f of t. It will be Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square, then s changes to s minus 2. To solve all these examples, you must know what are the properties and some standard results. Then only you understand what are the results we are using here. Then Laplace transform of t is 1 divided by s square, where s changes to s minus 2, we get 1 divided by s minus 2 whole square. This is the Laplace transform of first function. Next one is Laplace transform of f2 of t. f2 of t is 2 sin 3t divided by 2. 2 is constant, take outside. We have to find Laplace transform of sin 3t divided by t. See, the given function is of the form f of t divided by t. We have to use the result, that is third property. Laplace transform of f2 of t is equal to 2 into integration from s to infinity Laplace transform of sin 3t into ds. Here it is 2 into integration from s to infinity Laplace transform of sin 3t is 3 divided by s square plus 9 into ds. Then we have 3, this can be written as 3 divided by s square plus 3 square. We know that integration of a divided by s square plus a square is tan inverse of s by a. Like that, integration of 3 divided by s square plus 3 square is tan inverse of s by 3. Integration from limits from s to infinity. Then tan infinity is pi by 2 minus lower limit is as it is tan inverse of s by 3. Then pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse of theta is cot inverse of theta. Therefore, it will be 2 tan inverse of s by 3. Second function is Laplace transform of f2 of t is equal to 2 cot inverse of s by 3. Then the required L of f of t is 1 divided by s square minus s minus 2 whole square minus 2 into cot inverse of s by 3. Like this, you have to find the required Laplace transform for the given function if the given function having the different parts, means the given function having the sub functions, some more sub functions. We have to use this method to solve the given f of t, means the given function, to find the Laplace transform for that function.